Hello, friends. Good day to you all in your respective places across the world. I welcome you all to this channel today. This is Lasogenic Stock. Here in this channel, I review online investment platform and I share with you my little idea on how you can make money for yourself online. Alright, in this video today, I will be sharing with you some vital information concerning Wcoin. Wcoin is one of the trending Telegram airdrop Telegram crypto projects. So, and it has been in existence since last year, and they are very close to their TGE and their listing period. So, for that reason, there are some things that you just need to consider, and there are some things that we just need to put in place as we approach the listing time. But before I go fully in this video, if you are joining me for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly do that now, and also turn on the notification bell, set it to all notification for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new video like this. And also, if after you've watched this video or any other video on this channel, you found it to be very meaningful to you, please do not hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it really deserves. Alright, this is Wcoin crypto project. So as I said earlier, it's one of the trending crypto projects on Telegram app for this year. And right now you can see that I'm having 17 million plus Wcoin in my balance. So Wcoin, they have passed through some stages. When they first started, there is something they call tapping, because that time, by the time we are tapping this icon here, our balance keeps increasing. Then there's a particular time whereby we were able to stake our coin. So that time we can stake for like 7 days, 14 days, or 3 weeks, yes. And we are going to earn like 10% of whatever we have staked. That period too, it has passed by. And right now, even all the boosts, all the functions here, they are already over. So what we are expecting right now is the listing, is the TGE. That is what we are expecting right now. But by the time we are still waiting for that, there are still some tasks for you to do here to increase your balance, And some of the tasks here includes this buying cast. So by the time you complete this, you can earn 150. By the time you complete this, you can earn up to 150 token. This on 500, this on 50, this on 50, this on 1000, 150, this on 50. So all this you are going to do, and you are going to earn more balance. So you can go to under T5. I've done like 2 under them. We also have under YouTube. So watch some videos on this, then you'll be given the reward. And also, okay, these are the one that I've completed. So you just need to ensure that you have enough in your balance, explore it to the fullest. And also there's another one here that is called the WAI. Ensure you are claiming it every 8 hours. Every 8 hours is very important, and try as much as possible to upgrade to the next level whenever you are able to do that. And also under the box here, so this is one of the new features that has been, you can see I'm not eligible yet because I haven't complete all these requirements. So you can also try as much as possible to complete all these requirements so that you'll be eligible for the Wcoin pre-market sale. So it's very important that you do all the needful before this coin will be launched. And if you are yet to start this coin, just check the description box of this video for the registration link. Click on it, you'll be directed to your Telegram app, and from there you can start mining this token. It's not too late for you. And we also have the W Treasures segment. So I have no keys right now. So the keys that you have will determine what you can purchase. We have the starter, we have the guardian, we have treasure, and we have the cosmic. So all these, before you can purchase any of them, you need to have enough key here. So you can buy key from the key shop. It just require you having Telegram premium and you having some stars. So, or you are going to perform some turn transaction for you to get all those keys to buy more of these functions. All right, so this is what I have to share with you guys in this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like this video and to share with your friends and family. Okay, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead and bye for now. I love you all.